Before you go to Iceland, don't make these mistakes. This country is unbelievably beautiful, but it's also incredibly easy to get things wrong if you're not prepared. Let's go through the top 10 mistakes people make when travelling to Iceland and how you can avoid them. Expecting to see the Northern Lights. One of the biggest mistakes travellers make is assuming they'll definitely see the Northern Lights. Even in the perfect season, you're relying on clear skies, solar activity, and sometimes just pure luck. Think of the Northern Lights as a bonus, not a guarantee. Enjoy your trip regardless, and if you do see them, consider it an amazing extra. Not booking lagoons in advance. Iceland's lagoons are popular for a reason and they sell out fast. People often turn up thinking they can book the Sky Lagoon, the Blue Lagoon or the Miverton Baths at the last minute and then discover every slot is fully booked. It's always worth reserving your lagoon ahead of time so you can relax instead of scrambling and stressing. Wearing jeans and trainers. Now this is a classic. Jeans get wet, they stay wet and they turn freezing cold in the wind. Trainers soak through instantly and have no grip on snow or ice. Instead, bring waterproof trousers, warm layers and proper boots. You'll be far more comfortable and much safer, especially in winter. Ignoring weather warnings. Iceland's weather isn't just unpredictable, it can be dangerous. Storms can blow car doors off, roads can close without warning, and visibility can drop to zero in minutes. Weather warnings are not suggestions. Check the forecast every day, listen to local advice, and adjust your plans when you need. Your safety is much more important than sticking to a schedule. Thinking you can wing it. You absolutely can't. Some destinations are perfect for spontaneity. Iceland is not one of them. Distances are long, petrol stations can be far apart, tours sell out, and accommodation in remote areas can fill up months in advance. A basic plan will save you a lot of stress. Have a rough idea of where you're going each day, where you'll sleep, and how long the drives are. And leave room for flexibility, but don't leave everything to chance. Underestimating how expensive Iceland is. Now, Iceland is beautiful, but it's also one of the most expensive countries in the world. Visitors are often shocked by the price of fuel, food, snacks, drinks, and tours. If you don't budget properly, you can overspend very quickly. Plan ahead, bring snacks, and be ready for higher prices than you might expect. Not filling up the car when you have a chance. Petrol stations aren't on every corner in Iceland. A huge mistake is letting your fuel drop low and assuming another petrol station is nearby. When you see a petrol station, use it. Treat half a tank like empty. Overloading your itinerary. Now, on a map, Iceland looks small, but trust me, every drive takes longer than you think. Between weather changes, road conditions, photo stops, and simply just stopping and enjoying the scenery, your day can fill up fast. Trying to cram in 10 stops mean you'll just rush through everything. Aim for 3 or 4 key places a day so you can actually stop and enjoy them. Forgetting to check daylight hours. In winter, Iceland can have as little as 4 to 5 hours of daylight. People arrive expecting to explore all day and quickly realise it gets dark incredibly early. Planning around the daylight is essential, especially for driving and sightseeing. Check the sunrise and sunset times for your travel dates so nothing catches you out. Getting too close to waves, cliffs and wildlife. Iceland is wild, and that's part of the charm, but it also means you have to respect nature. Sneaker waves at black sand beaches are extremely dangerous. Cliffs can be unstable. Wild animals need space. Always follow warning signs, stay well back from the shoreline, and admire wildlife from a safe distance. A great photo is never worth risking your safety. Iceland is one of the most extraordinary places on the planet, and if you avoid these mistakes, your trip will be unforgettable for all the right reasons. Plan well, pack smart, respect the weather, and Iceland will absolutely blow your mind. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you're most excited to see in Iceland. See you on the next one.